What if I told you that becoming a millionaire has less to do with how much money you make and more to do with the financial habits you build? Most people believe becoming a millionaire is reserved for doctors, celebrities, professional athletes, or people who inherit wealth. But the truth is, millions of everyday people have quietly reached millionaire status by following a simple plan and sticking to it over time. The biggest misconception about wealth is that it's built overnight. It isn't. It's built one paycheck, one investment, one business decision, and one smart financial habit at a time. Today, I'm going to show you the exact roadmap that can help you build your first $1 million, even if you're starting from zero. Let's get into it. Step 1. Master your money. Every millionaire starts by mastering one thing: their cash flow. It doesn't matter whether you make $50,000 a year or $500,000 a year. If you spend everything you earn, wealth will always stay out of reach. The first step is creating a budget that gives every dollar a purpose before the month even begins. Instead of wondering where your money went, you'll know exactly where it's going. Pay your necessities first, cover your bills, then pay yourself. That's right. Treat saving and investing like a bill that has to be paid every month. Even if you're only investing $100 each paycheck, you're building the habit that creates wealth. Remember, income creates opportunity, but discipline creates wealth. Many lottery winners lose millions because they never mastered money. Meanwhile, ordinary families quietly become millionaires because they consistently spend less than they earn and invest the difference. The size of your paycheck matters, but how you manage that paycheck matters even more. Step 2, increase your income. Here's something many people don't want to hear. Saving alone usually won't make you a millionaire. Eventually, you have to increase your earning power. Ask yourself, how can I make more money next year than I made this year? That could mean learning a valuable trade, getting a promotion, starting a side business, selling digital products, freelancing, investing in yourself, building multiple streams of income. The goal isn't to work more forever. The goal is to create income that continues to grow. Think about it this way. If your income grows by just 10% every year while your investments continue compounding, your wealth-building journey speeds up dramatically. Millionaires don't simply save more. They find ways to earn more. Step 3. Invest consistently. Now it's time to let your money start working for you. One of the biggest mistakes people make is letting thousands of dollars sit inside a checking account earning almost nothing. Inflation slowly reduces the purchasing power of that money over time. Instead, wealthy people invest in assets that have the potential to grow. For many people, that means diversified index funds, retirement accounts, or other long-term investments. The important thing isn't finding the perfect investment. It's developing the habit of investing consistently. Some months the market goes up, some months it goes down, but history has shown that patient long-term investors have often been rewarded for staying invested over long periods. This is where compound growth becomes so powerful. Your investments begin earning returns. Then those returns begin earning returns. Over time, your money begins growing faster than your own contributions. That's why starting today is often more important than waiting for the perfect moment. Step 4. Buy assets, not liabilities. One of the biggest differences between wealthy families and everyone else is what they choose to purchase. Every dollar you spend is making a decision. Will this purchase make me wealthier or poorer? Assets have the potential to put money back into your pocket. Examples include businesses, stocks, real estate, dividend investments, intellectual property. Liabilities usually require you to continue spending money. That doesn't mean you should never buy things you enjoy. It simply means your assets should eventually begin paying for your lifestyle. Imagine owning enough investments that your dividends, rental income, or business profits begin covering your monthly bills. That's financial freedom. Step 5. Protect what you build. Building wealth is only half the journey. Protecting it is just as important. That means having an emergency fund, avoiding unnecessary debt, having proper insurance, creating a plan for your family, and continuing to educate yourself financially. Many people spend years building wealth only to lose it because they never created a system to protect it. The goal isn't just becoming wealthy, it's staying wealthy. Step 6. Stay patient and stay consistent. This is where most people quit. They expect huge results after a few months, but wealth doesn't usually happen that way. It's built through consistency, saving every month, investing every month, learning every month, improving your income every year, avoiding lifestyle inflation. The people who become millionaires aren't always the smartest people. They're often the people who stayed committed the longest. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Your first million isn't built with one lucky investment. It isn't built with one massive paycheck. It's built through years of smart financial decisions repeated over and over again. Master your money. Increase your income. Invest consistently. Buy assets. Protect what you build. Stay patient. If you follow those principles, you'll put yourself in a much stronger position to build lasting wealth. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's serious about building generational wealth. And if you want to dive deeper into this topic, comment more below, and I'll create a more advanced video breaking down the exact path many self-made millionaires use to reach their first million.